Best ultrasonic humidifier for flu-blocked nose nasal congestion. Nasal congestion is caused by inflamed blood vessels in the sinuses and usually occurs through colds, flu, allergies or sinus infection. The membrane makes more mucus to flush out the irritation, which can cause a plugged-up feeling. Ensure you drink plenty of water to help thin the nasal secretions. Prop yourself up so your head is elevated. Dry air may cause further irritation, so ensure there is moisture in the air as the mucus can harden. A humidifier can provide relief to the congestion by sending moisture into the air. A ultrasonic humidifier releases an ultrafine cool mist into the air. With the option to add essential oils such as eucalyptus to provide additional relief to the blocked nose. For nasal relief, https://cartwaves.com/products/ultrasonic cool mist air humidifier.